Okay, let's start by drawing a guideline which is 200 mm. Okay, and then another guideline here, 200 mm, typing 200 in the box, and let's draw a square on the floor. First we check that our measurement is in mm. Okay, make sure that it's mm, precision 0, close, and let's draw a square on the floor. Now you see that there are some additional surfaces on the left hand side, so I don't want this surface, so I'll just select it and delete it away. Next we will do a push-pull. Okay, push-pull of the surface about 200 mm or so we got a perfect cube. And there we are, we just leave it there first. Okay, we delete away the guidelines that we don't want so that it's not so confusing. So this guideline we select it and delete away, and we will proceed to do another guideline. Okay, it's just somewhere along the floor area. Okay, and we select this to be 100 mm, another guideline 100 mm, and another 200 mm guideline. Right, and we draw another box on the floor. Okay, next we will draw an semicircle within this box that we have created. I'll draw a semicircle within this box, and as you can see that the semicircle is not so smooth, right? The edges are quite rugged, right? So I'm going to teach you how to smoothen out the edges. Okay, first we draw the semicircle again. Okay, after drawing, okay, and we type down 50s, enter. Next we delete our line again and we try to draw it again. You find that the line is much more smoother than it was before. So this is the line that we wanted. So this is the way to smooth out the edges. Okay, we'll draw an object here. I got a guideline about 100 mm. Okay, and then I will draw a guideline another 100 mm up. This time round is up, so you make sure that you have the blue color line. Okay, about 50 mm, sorry, 50 mm up, and we will draw a semicircle here. Okay, select the arc tool. Alright, draw a semicircle. Okay, make sure that you choose the right point there where the intersection of red color line and the guideline is, and you draw a semicircle up. Okay, now we got a semicircle. We use a follow me tool to create like a spherical object, somewhat like a spherical object. Okay, this is what we have created. We delete away the lines that we don't want. Okay, these are lines that we don't want, we delete them away. There's one additional line below, we don't want that, we delete that away also. Select it, you delete it away. Right, now these are the unwanted guidelines that we don't want, so we delete away. You can delete away by dragging from the right to the left. When drag from right to left, anything that's inside the box will be selected. So I deleted away my guideline. I will group this spherical object. I will move it to the cube. Okay, slightly a bit lower, and this is where I'm going to show you how we can do the intersection. Okay, you can see it's intersecting. Now I will explode it. Explode, that means you undo the grouping, right? Undo the grouping, and with this box also is not grouped, that's good. Now we do a intersect surface with selection and see how it goes. Now intersect surface with selection, you can see that there are actually broken lines there. Broken lines, right? This is not what we want, so we have to do the intersect again, maybe at another place, right? So this time around I will shift my spherical object slightly out and maybe slightly further down. Okay, and I'll try on the intersect again, explode it, explode, and select everything, and do a intersect surface with selection. This time around you can see, oh, the lines are joined together pretty clean. So I'll select those areas that I don't want and I delete them away. Okay, see, the lines are clean, right? So I delete away these areas, all these lines that I don't want, these surfaces that I don't want, and you can see that the intersect surface is done nicely. It's using one object to minus away the other object. Right, that's the purpose of intersecting. And you can see that the whole object is nicely created. Even the inside, okay, the surface is there where there is intersection. Now I can see the surface here. There's intersection here.